everyone, I am Anjana, Assistant Professor, Department of Software Development. So today we will be learning about some important features of Java programming language. So first I am going through Introduction to Java, that is what Java is all about. Then I am discussing some important features of Java programming language. As you all know, Java is a fundamental programming language that anyone can learn easily. So it was actually brought in by Sun Microsystems in 1991. And it was started off by a team which is led by James Gosling. And originally it was designed for some consumer electronic devices like television, VCR, etc. And initially it is named as Org and renamed as Java in 1995. And one of the important terms that I want to project about Java is that it's an ever-evolving language. That is, still we have lot of versions available in Java. It is not that just you have only one version released by Sun Microsystems. Still there are lot of versions coming in Java. So that is why it is called an ever-evolving language. And it is now merged to the Oracle Corporation. So let's look into the features of Java programming language. So it's simple, object-oriented, high performance, secure, platform independent, robust and distributed. So why Java is simple? So Java is a programming language that is pretty much similar to other programming languages like C and C++. So most of the syntax of Java programming language is adapted from C++. And also some difficult concepts in C and C++ like pointers are eliminated in Java. So anyone who knows the basic syntax of C and C++ can easily learn Java. So that is why it's a simple language. Then one of the important features of Java programming language is that it's object-oriented. That is, Java follows an object-oriented programming model. So when I say object-oriented, everything in Java is modeled as an object. So what is an object? Object is nothing but anything that exists in the real world which has a state and behavior. So say for example, if we consider bicycle as an object, it has different states like current gear, current pedal cadence, current speed like that, and different behaviors like changing gear, changing pedal cadence, applying brakes like that. So when we consider any object in the real world, it has got certain states and behaviors. So similar to that, everything in Java must be thought of as an object. And in Java, we use a concept called class to define the states and behavior of an object. That is, everything in Java is written inside a class. So that's why it is called an object-oriented language. So this is also a feature why Java is simple. Next, Java is a high-performance language. So, as I already mentioned that it's an ever-evolving language. That if there is any drawback or some feature is not working properly, then we can report it and the team will rectify it in the future releases. And also, Java supports a special feature called multi-threading. Multi-threading means we are dividing a task into multiple threads and these threads can be executed simultaneously. And this in turn enhances the execution speed of Java. So, these are the features that make Java a high-performance language. So next, Java is completely secure. That is, Java basically runs in a virtual machine sandbox. And no one can enter into this particular space. So no one can intrude it and keeps it free from viruses and other stuffs like that. And also, unlike C and C++, Java doesn't support the concept of pointers. So in C, a malicious user can access the memory location easily by using pointers. But it is not possible in Java. Why? Because Java doesn't expose pointers. So these are the features that make Java completely secure. And one of the most important feature of Java or one of the most important feature that made Java widely accepted is its platform independence. That is, Java is write once, run anywhere language. That is, you can create a class or Java program and then compile it. Then Java compiler will create a compiled version of the program called bytecode. And this bytecode is platform independent, which means that we can run this bytecode on any machine or on any platform. For example, I could write a program in Windows and just compile it and I can just copy it to my pen drive and run it on Linux as well. So as you could imagine how this feature makes Java widely accepted. So you can use Java to develop complete applications that may run on a single machine, as well as which can be distributed on several servers and clients on the network. And this is the pictorial representation of platform independence in Java. So here, hello.java is the Java program or Java file. So it can be run on multiple platforms, and the JDK for the corresponding platform, JDK means Java Development Toolkit. So the JDK for the corresponding platform will create the .class file of the corresponding program. So this .class file is the bytecode, and this can be run on any platform, whether it is Windows, Linux, Macintosh, or any platform. The next feature of Java is that it is a robust language. That is, Java checks the code during compilation time as well as runtime. As I said, when we compile a Java program, it will create a class file which is called bytecode, which can be run on any machine. So when we run this bytecode on another machine, then Java will confirm that it is properly done. And also, Java provides a special memory management feature called garbage collector. That is, if some amount of memory remains unused for a longer period of time, then Java automatically deallocate that memory so that other processes can utilize it effectively. So these features make Java a robust language. Then Java is a distributed language. That is, Java is distributed as well. So you don't need to write all the code on a single machine. So from my machine, I can run something written on your machine if we are connected to a network. And also, Java supports a feature called remote method invocation, which enables us to call methods written on any machine on the network. So by using this feature, we can make Java a distributed language. So these all are the important features of Java programming language. So I hope you understood the concepts. Thank you.